It's here! Yeah! You have been chosen to adopt a puppy! They chose us! They do us! We are getting a puppy! We are getting a puppy! We are getting a puppy! Oh, look, babies! It's our puppy! He is too cute! What's wrong, Tilly? What is it? What? It says our puppy will be arriving today? Today? But we're not ready yet. We don't have a puppy bed. And we don't have any puppy food. This playroom is not ready for a puppy at all. He's gonna chew all the books. Eat all the shoes! Naughty puppy! And he's gonna break all of our things! Come back here! Maybe we shouldn't get a puppy after all. I don't know what to do. Glo Pixies, help! Oh no, you look a bit sad. Let me help. There, that's better. Help! Stop, hold on. Looks like your garden's got the right idea. We gotta get moving. We'll help you catch your flowers later, Siena. Right now, we have to help Charlie. Let's butterfly. Is everything okay? No, our puppy is coming today. And I'm not sure if we should even have a puppy anymore. We don't have anything ready. A puppy is a lot of work. But don't worry, Charlie. We can help. I think all you need is a little practice.
Now every puppy needs a few things to be happy and safe. Isn't that right, Pup?
Ah.
All you need for a happy pup is yummy food, a safe space, with fun toys of their own to play with. They need lots and lots of love and cuddles.
Oh.
And plenty of rest.
Huh? Forgot the paintbrushes. Be right back. Ta-da! Ooh. Whoa! Babies, stop! Those eggs are food, babies, and we do not waste food. I was only gone a minute, and look at you. Oh, come on then. Let's get you cleaned up. There. That's better now, isn't it? Oh, yuck! Look at this place. You babies sure do know how to make a mess. Tidy up time.
Let's get all those little eggs inside that big one, and then we'll be ready for the egg hunt.
On three. Oh, I just got you cleaned up. One, this mess is everywhere. Two, Glo Pixies, help!
We should really see that coming by now.
Sounds like Charlie needs us. We gotta get out of here. Come on, Glo Pixies. Let's fly.
It's like the eggs and paint have mixed together and turned to glue. Almost. Gotcha! Oh, whoa, whoa! Oh!
I'll have my eggs Sammie side up, please.
This place is a disaster.
I wanted to do an Easter egg hunt, but the babies got to the eggs before I could hide them.
Don't worry. I know just how to fix this.
That was amazing, Gigi. I really wish we had more eggs. It would have been fun to do an egg hunt with the babies.
More eggs, huh? Hang on. I've got an idea. Happy Hearts Portal! Gigi, Siena, get some blindfolds on those babies. You too, Charlie. Okay, let the great egg hunt begin. Grab your baskets and find those eggs.
Tail, no! I could get used to this. Baby alive, yeah! On your marks. Get set. Go! Huh? Wrong way, Teo! Baby alive, yeah! Tilly, Teo, Lulu, don't worry. You're okay. Owie! 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 It's okay. Everyone stay calm. I am the queen of the boo-boo, and I know just what to do. better, isn't it? Owie! Glo Pixies, help!
This can't be good.
I think I hear Charlie and the babies.
And it sounds like someone might be hurt. Happy Heart! Hurry! Sienna, Sammie, I think this calls for some pixie kissies. Gigi, that's genius.
Okay, Charlie, hold the babies very still. This won't hurt a bit.
Pixie kissy, pixie kissy, pixie kissy.
Teo, Tilly, Lulu, you're all better. That was some magic, Glo Pixies. You're gonna have to teach me how to do that.
Now remember, next time we are racing, everyone needs to wear a helmet.
Ready, set, go! Whoa! Easy, Teo. Be patient, please. And last but not least, Tilly's scrummy lunch! There we go, Tilly. See? Now nothing is touching. Better? No? How about if we do this? Yeah! Green beans? Is that it? Oh, yes! Green beans. Back in a flash. Oh, I get it. You want me to cut them for you. I'm sorry, Tilly. I don't understand. How can I help you? The green beans are yummy. Tilly, that is not how we eat our lunch. Not you too, Teo. No smashing. Lulu, we do not throw food. Hey! Glo Pixies, help!
Look at these blooming blue beauties.
Purple, 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 my favorite.
Never has there been a pinkier, perfecter pink.
Glo Pixies, help!
Now we can help our friends in style.
Come on, Glo Pixies, no time to waste.
Flower run! Where's Charlie?
Over here!
What happened? I've never seen the playroom like this.
Tilly had green food on her plate. Green food freaks her out!
Of course! could I forget that?
Looking after 3 babies is hard work, Charlie. It's tricky to remember everything.
But we can fix this no problem. I have a bright idea.
Hi, everyone. Did anyone see where Teo threw his sippy cup? I really need to find it. Let's go back and have a look. You get all the way over there. Well, looks like everyone's awake now. Okay, babies, choose your instrument. Go! Okay, Lulu. Just this once. But then you have to practice crawling, okay? Okay, time to swap.
Yeah.
Quick, pick a new one, Lulu. Okay, babies, we've got time for one more instrument. To share the bells. Tilly will play the bells first, and then it will be your turn, okay, Lulu? Lulu? Where did she go? Did you see where she went, Tilly? Teo, did you see her? Okay, well, let's not panic. She must be here somewhere. Any luck, babies? Can she be? What if something terrible has happened? Glo Pixies, help!
Whoa, Pixie!
Whoa, Pixie!
1, 2, 3, that's so Pixie!
Right side up and upside down.
Coolest Pixie in the town!
Glo Pixies, help!
I think you would have gotten it that time, Gigi!
Oh, now we'll never know for sure.
But we do know for sure that Charlie needs us. Come on, Glo Pixies!
Flutterstastic!
Charlie?
Oh, 1 minute she was tugging on the bells, and the next minute she was gone, and
Wait, who's gone?
Lulu! Lulu is missing!
Okay, Glo Pixies, spread out! Don't worry, Charlie. We'll find her.
No.
Well, she's not in here. You said she had a handbell, didn't you, Charlie?
Yes.
That's it, Sammie. The bell! Maybe if we're really quiet, we'll be able to hear her.
I hear it! This way! Oh, there you are, Lulu. Thank goodness you're all right. How on earth did you get out here?
I'd say she probably walked. Who knows how she got out here?
Well, we have a little bit of music time left. Shall we all play together?
Hooray!